Hi, welcome to the Bryan Show. Today's episode, we are playing with this monster truck arena. This is our first contestant of the monster truck arena, the White Crasher. Second contestant, the Blue Fire Truck. Third, the Flash of Blue Grave Digger. I forgot what I named him earlier. I'm thinking of the name I should give him first. The Zombie. The Blue Thunder. The Fire Pirate. The Arctic Truck. The Tyrannosaurus Rex. No, wait, the Triceratops. Alien Invasion. The Green Lizard. And the Dragon. Let's go with our first contestant. The White Crasher. Whoa. Whoa. What's he doing? Pop, pop, pop. This is the tunnel, this is the ramp, this is the dinosaur box, this is the monster truck area with cars on it, this is the creeper pillow, yes, boom! Mr. Snakey, and the solid box. This is the one of the winning blocks. You get 50 points if you go in here, and you can get other points by doing stuff on there. And this is 100 points if you get that in Snakey's fire truck. Let's go over our next contestant. Sam, can you get out of the way, Sam? Our next contestant is the blue ladder. The blue fire truck. Sam, please, in the way. You can stay there.
Why don't you go up on the other side of your brother so you can go take one through the arena when he's done. There you go.
I'll tell you when you can go.
All right, so who's the next one?
The blue fire truck. That doesn't look like a fire truck. Ow, ow, ow. He just drove. Did you see that? He drove right over them. Crush, crush, crush. Yeah. 100 points. And he got 50 from, he actually got 100 from that jump. And getting over Mr. Snakey was 200, 20 for getting over Mr. Snake and 200 from that big boom.
Is it your turn, Sam?
Yes. That didn't go well. Sam.
All right, get him. Let's go. Finish the run.
Don't run the tunnel. Going. Press the tires. Whoa! Did you see that?
This is a high super jump, y'all. Over the hiss pillow, over Snakey, over the 50-point box, straight into the 100 box.
That was 2 million points. He won 2 million points.
All that crashing, huh? Zombie truck.
He just ate all the dinosaurs' brains. Did you see that? Oh!
Mr. Snakey, oh no. 50-point box.
Wait, what? No, wait. What? What? Did you see that? Did you see that? Now they have 300 points. Yes. Ah, what?
Revenge of the Snake.
Now he has 300 points. No, let's just skip all the other points things and skip that one. Mr. Snakey has 300 points.
Mr. Snakey stole the trucks.
And the points. That's also what happened in the Axel's Monster Truck Arena. It was so fun. The snake had 300 points. And it was also a rattlesnake.
All right. I think it's Samuel's turn for the next truck. Who do we have, Samuel? Blue Thunder.
Oh, the Blue Thunder. He can thunder all the... What? How did their brains come back to life? I'm going to eat the camera. Oh, it's too big. And then the camera hits him. The camera hit me. Oh. What? Thunder.
Blue Thunder just thundered all the dinosaurs.
And then he distracted the snake. He goes thunder, but then he thunders them all right back into the points. And now, and he stole the points back.
There's still something going on over here. What is going on?
The snake took them all and the car. And now the snake has 400 points.
He is protective of all them points he's stealing from them cars.
Yeah. He might actually win the game. Yeah, well, I guess that would be fun. Okay, it's Sam.
The
Sam
Fire Pirate's Curse.
I'll let you get it. Fire! You get a fire! Ah, we are on fire! Yeah, they all burn. He burnt all the dinosaurs. Fire! Oh, fire! Blue knockout. Wow! And the snake has lost 100 points. Fire! Ah, the snake's losing all its points. What is going on? Fire! She's making me put you out. It's my turn. That was so funny, guys. What? What happened to the ramp? Oh no, someone's murdered the ramp. Who killed the ramp? Did it just make ice?
An ice ramp, huh?
That's the Elsa truck.
The Elsa truck?
What?
It's not an Arctic Yeti, it's Elsa.
It's an Arctic Yeti Elsa truck. That was so funny.
Who's next?
Triceratops won't be hurt by the dinosaurs, so Triceratops doesn't even have to worry about the dinosaurs. I wonder who murdered this Rhea.
Oh, I wonder who. Maybe somebody that was moving the box so much.
Go! No, she doesn't have to do that. Bonk.
There's a dinosaur chasing the Triceratops.
Ow! What is happening? The dinosaur pulling all the cars into here.
Dinosaur stole all the cars?
Ow. And I got what to do is give me my car back.
Oh, it looks like we only have 3 racers left.
But this is when no one can save them now.
Who's going now?
Alien invasion.
Alien invasion.
Pop.
Oh, the dinosaurs popped his tires.
The green wizard. It's kaboom.
I don't even see where he landed.
And now they can't escape. And the creeper has blown it, and it's gonna blow it up after this. It's not safe by the rescue team. Dragon.
Last run.
Wait, it's been all the way. Pop. Ah!
Good thing that dragon car has dragon scales on its wheels. Can't pop.
No one, all of the dinosaurs got caught except for 3 of them. Only 3 ones escaped. Yes! But no one else got back, but these ones escaped, and then they closed it so that they couldn't get them. Close! Well, yes, I guess wait, but this one got stuck in here. So that's all that's left. Wow, I wish I got 100 points. Wham.
So who's the winner?
There's no one wins. Let's go check out the winners. Let's see what they think. I just like firing all those dinosaurs. I just like zooming past and getting them free from that snake. I wish I had 100 points. He's hitting the box. Did you see
That's a bad sport. How many points does Mr. Snaky have? Samuel, how many points does Mr. Snaky have?
100.
100?
A bunch of points. But what if the rescue team's gonna save them all?
All right, the rescue team's saving them all. Everybody say, have fun.
No, wait. The rescue team's gonna be very short. Can you just watch the rescue team, please, Mommy? Record the rescue team.
Brian, say goodbye.
No, it will be very short.
All right, Brian's not listening. Samuel, will you say goodbye?
Wait, all of them.
Nope. Okay. Bye, everybody.